Hey guys, thank you so much for rocking with me. Thank you so much for being a part of the team. Hope all is fruitful. My name is Tony. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to navigate through Baltimore City water metered website. Now, I use this website when I'm looking up my tax sale delinquent list because I like to find out whether or not that lead owes any water, and if they do, how big of a bill do they owe. Okay, so let's go right into it. I go to Baltimore City meter, Baltimore City water, which is here. You're going to be looking for this website, metered water, and I'm just going to put in a random address because I want to show you guys how to navigate through the website. Normally, when you click on it, this is going to pop up. We normally don't worry about account number. The address right here is everything. So we're going to put in 1700 East Landville Street. Let's see what happens when we do that. Okay, let's see, 1702 East Landville. Okay, so we got 1702 East Landville. Now, if you notice right here, it says water bill details. It has the account information, things of that nature. It also has the service address, which is the address we put in. Then it says current billing information. The current read date means when did the meter guy come out there and look at it. The last time he looked at the water meter bill or the water meter was in March 21st. His current bill due is, the due date is 4/2/2018. And he has a penalty date on the 22nd of April. So the current bill that they owe is $66.45. Previous bill, zero balance. Things of that nature, blah, 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 right? So this is pretty much how you look up the water bill to see if a particular address owes any water, okay? And then you can hit search again to go backwards and pull up, another address. So I'm just going to put in 704 East Landville Street. Okay, 1704 East Landville. Okay, and then the city, the system will populate that stuff for you. But again, the same thing, account information. Right here, it lets you know the current read date, things of that nature, how much the bill they owe now, their previous balance, which is zero, so they're paying their bills, and the last time they paid their bill. So this is pretty much how you go into Baltimore water metered website and find out, whether or not a person owes a big bill or if they owe a bill at all. If you have any questions or anything like that, guys, please leave a comment or suggestion, or in the box. Let me know what you guys thinking. Also, you can reach out to upper management and ask them any questions in which we will assist you. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day. Thanks a lot.